Hi, my dear friends. Today I am going to paint this beautiful Indian hut. Stay tuned with me. I am going to use Indian handmade paper and Indian paint, camel. First thing I am going to say, no need to wet the paper all the time. Here I am just using burnt sienna for the rooftop of the hut and little bit dark brown for the corners. Then I'm using dark brown for the back side of the rooftop. This is very important. It should be very dark because this is the back side of the heart. No light will come on that particular area, so make it darker. So I am doing the video step by step so that you guys can understand clearly, and when you will practice, it will help to improve your sketching watercolor skill. Here I am using yellow ochre with lots of water. Please do not make it like acrylic. Make it little bit lighter so that it should look transparent. And here I'm going to add little bit olive green for the grasses and all. Look, this video is very simple but very satisfying and good thing. Here you can learn how to improve your transparent watercolor. If you like the video, please do comment and share and subscribe the channel as well. Here I am making the Indian banana tree. This is very popular, very famous element in any village. All over India, wherever you will go, you will see this kind of banana tree. Mostly in West Bengal, you will see lots of banana tree here and there nearby the traditional Indian hut. In hut, we call this kure ghar. In Bengali, we call kure ghar. I am making this video in English because I have so many friends and subscribers who are looking for some English subtitle or English demonstration or tutorial. So, for all of them, thank you so much for believing on me. Surely, I will do more and more video, different languages. So here I am going to take dark brown and I'm making the shadow of the upper part, which is the back side of the heart. I am drawing, I am doing it slowly, so that you guys can get some ideas, clean and clear ideas. There is no hidden thing, no edit. I'm just doing it randomly. Whatever I did a clean video and I'm just posting it here. It was 11 minutes video and I make it 8 minutes. There are some unnecessary time when I mix the color and all. So that time I just edit it and I make it little bit fast forward so that it can be a 7 minute or 8 minute video. So I make the tiles on the top. You guys can make it a little bit more detail. It depend up to you. But for me, this is enough. Now I'm going to make the background bushes. Make sure that your color should be very light and transparent. My focal point, my subject is the heart. Very simple, very casual thing. So do not make your background very dark. It should be very clean and clear and transparent. Remember one thing, transparency is the main key of watercolor. So I am a very traditional person. I like traditional painting. So I follow the traditional way to do watercolor. Here I am making dark brown for the beautiful heart, the front side heart's window and door. And I'm making a sunset on the top of the window. It's very easy, very simple, but very effective and interesting. The natural thing, the color, which color you can see if you go to any village, you will see this kind of heart. I didn't use any pink, any blue, not like that. I always wanted to make my painting soft and smooth and beautiful. So I just focus on it. Whenever you will do that kind of video, please maintain the value, maintain the color scheme. Do not use unnecessary red, pink, purple. It will spoil your focal point and your subject too. Here I am going to make some light green patches to make the grasses area. The actually the ground. This is very light green. Whatever green you have, parrot green or olive green or sap green, add good quantity of water, then use it will become lighter. And I am using brown little bit and little bit olive green to make the texture of the bushes. Very simple. If you guys can enjoy the video, please do subscribe the channel and press the bell button so that whenever I am going to add any new video, you will get a notification and you will be a good friend of mine. So I promise I will make more video on English, Hindi and Bengali. So I am going to make some series on particular village scape after 1 week. So till then, I hopefully you will enjoy the channel. Watch the full video. Don't skip because fine arts is the thing. So there I did a small mistake. I will rectify because the shadow is from the left side. So I make a sketches on the right side. I will erase it. I will rectify surely when it will done. First, I am going to do the electric cable. Do not make it slowly. The cable should look very professional. So if you want to make it professional, make it first, and it will look very cool. Some birds here and there, which is actually happen in village side. Birds are on the wire and on the cable, electric cable, you will see birds, the insects are like that. So I am going to make some human, which is very essential for my any painting. I don't like landscape without human because it look very odd without human. I don't like, so I add three human here and there. Next thing I'm going to uh, make some shadow highlights and all, and so now I'm going to rectify the mistake. I erase the shadow and I will make the shadow in the proper direction because my light is coming from the left and the shadow for that like shadow. Yes, now it's okay. Now it's okay. These kind of small mistakes you can rectify easily. No issue, no problem. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. See you again in the next video.